Delhi to Gurugram in just 7 minutes, Indigo plans for all-electric air taxis in India. Electric air taxis represent a revolutionary approach to urban transportation, promising to alleviate traffic congestion, reduce emissions, and provide efficient travel solutions. As per recent news reports, Interglobe Enterprises, the parent company of Indigo, has collaborated with US-based Archer Aviation to introduce all-electric air taxi services in India by 2026. The service aims to significantly reduce travel time, with a 7-minute flight between Connaught Place in Delhi and Gurugram in Haryana, costing approximately 2,000 rupees to 3,000 rupees per passenger. This report analyzes the introduction of electric air taxi services in India, focusing on Interglobe Enterprises' partnership with US-based Archer Aviation, technical aspects, discusses key features such as safety, environmental benefits, charging infrastructure, range and socio-economic aspects of this project, along with its potential impact on India's growth story. Details for this video has been gathered from various news reports of April 20, 2024 and April 19, 2024. Hi friend. Welcome back to SciTech Buzz 1 channel. We wish to sincerely thank all the new subscribers of this channel. We have observed that 97% of our viewers haven't subscribed to our channel. If you haven't as yet subscribed, kindly consider doing so, after watching this video, since it would encourage us to do more. Watch this interesting video until the end so that you will not miss out on all the details. Historical context. Electric air taxis have gained significant attention in recent years as a potential solution to urban congestion and environmental concerns. With advancements in electric propulsion and battery technology, several companies worldwide have embarked on projects to develop electric air taxis. In this context, Interglobe Enterprises, in collaboration with Archer Aviation, is set to introduce an all-electric air taxi service in India by 2026. The initial phase of the service will cover routes in and around Delhi, Mumbai, and Bengaluru. Technical details of the project. Aircraft specifications. The air taxi service will utilize 200 electric vertical takeoff and landing (evtol) aircraft supplied by Archer Aviation. These aircraft are designed to carry a pilot and 4 passengers, functioning similarly to helicopters but with reduced noise and enhanced safety features. Each evtol aircraft is equipped with 12 rotors, and the entire fleet is estimated to cost around $1 billion. The aircraft, named Midnight, are designed for urban air mobility and are equipped with advanced avionics and propulsion systems. The electric powertrain allows for distributed propulsion, with the propulsion distributed across multiple small rotors, which rotate more slowly, rather than relying on a single fast rotor. This design not only reduces noise but also increases safety and efficiency. Charging and flight time. One of the key advantages of evtol aircraft is their quick charging time and relatively long flight time. Each Midnight aircraft is equipped with 6 battery packs, which can be fully charged in just 30 to 40 minutes. Additionally, 1 minute of charging is equivalent to 1 minute of flight time, making these aircraft highly efficient and suitable for short-distance urban flights. Route details. The service will initially connect Connaught Place in Delhi to Gurugram in Haryana, reducing travel time between the two cities to just 7 minutes. Similar air taxi services are planned for Mumbai and Bengaluru. Infrastructure and operational planning. Discussions are ongoing regarding infrastructure development, including landing pads, charging stations, and operational procedures. Plans are underway to finalize real estate space for vertiports or launch pads. Archer Aviation is open to manufacturing the aircraft in India in the future. Project timeline and certification process. Certification process. Archer Aviation is in advanced discussions with the U.S. Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, for aircraft certification. The certification process is expected to be completed by the next year. Following FAA certification, the Directorate General of Civil Aviation, DGCA, in India will initiate the certification process. The certification process involves rigorous testing and evaluation of the aircraft's design, performance, and safety features. This includes testing the aircraft's flight controls, propulsion systems, avionics, and emergency procedures. Once the aircraft receives certification from the FAA and DGCA, it will be deemed safe for commercial operations. Project timeline. The air taxi service is scheduled to commence in India by 2026, with operations initially focusing on Delhi, Mumbai, and Bengaluru. The joint venture between Interglobe Enterprises and Archer Aviation plans to deploy 200 Midnight aircraft for operations. The project timeline includes the development of necessary infrastructure such as vertiports or launch pads, as well as the establishment of operational procedures and regulations. The joint venture will work closely with local municipalities and regulatory authorities to ensure a smooth and efficient launch of the air taxi service. Safety considerations. Technology and design. Electric air taxis rely on advanced technology and design to ensure safety, including reliable electric propulsion systems, battery management, and autonomous flight control. Infrastructure. Well-designed infrastructure, including landing pads, charging stations, and air traffic management systems, is crucial for safe operation. Pilot training. Pilots receive specialized training to handle electric propulsion, emergency procedures, and unexpected situations. Redundancy. Redundant systems enhance safety, ensuring continued operation in case of component failure. Emergency procedures. Electric air taxis are equipped with robust emergency protocols, including safe landing procedures and fire suppression systems. Regulatory compliance. Adherence to aviation regulations and establishment of guidelines specific to electric air taxis are essential for safety. Public perception. Building public trust through transparent communication about safety measures and successful demonstration flights is crucial. Collaboration and joint venture details. Partnership details. Interglobe Enterprises and Archer Aviation have formed a joint venture for the air taxi service. The specifics of the joint venture are currently under development. The joint venture aims to leverage the strengths of both companies, combining Interglobe's expertise in aviation and transportation with Archer Aviation's advanced technology and innovation. The collaboration between the two companies marks a significant milestone in India's aviation sector and demonstrates the potential for future partnerships between Indian and international companies. Manufacturing plans. Archer Aviation plans to open a manufacturing facility in the U.S. this year, with an initial capacity to produce up to 650 planes. The facility will be equipped with state-of-the-art manufacturing equipment and will adhere to the highest quality and safety standards. The company plans to initially manufacture 650 planes, with the capacity to increase production to 2,000 planes in the future. This manufacturing capacity will support the deployment of the air taxi service in India and other markets around the world. There are discussions about the possibility of manufacturing planes in India in the future. This would not only create job opportunities but also support India's goal of becoming a manufacturing hub for advanced technology and innovation. Economic and socioeconomic impact. Economic benefits. The introduction of air taxi services will bring significant economic benefits to India, including cost reduction. Air taxi services will significantly reduce travel time and costs, making it more accessible for commuters. Job creation. The project is expected to create job opportunities in areas such as manufacturing, operations, maintenance, and support services. Infrastructure development. The project will stimulate investment in infrastructure development, including vertiports, launch pads, and support facilities. Revenue generation. The project has the potential to generate significant revenue for the Indian economy through ticket sales, taxes, and other related services. Impact on national economy. The air taxi service is expected to have a positive impact on India's national economy, including improved connectivity. air taxi services will improve connectivity between major urban centers, facilitating faster and more efficient transportation. Boost to tourism. The project will attract tourists and business travelers, boosting the tourism and hospitality sectors. Technology transfer. The collaboration with Archer Aviation will bring advanced technology and expertise to India's aviation sector, fostering innovation and growth. Foreign investment. The project will attract foreign investment and partnerships, supporting India's goal of becoming a global hub for aviation and technology. Socioeconomic impact. The introduction of air taxi services will have a positive socio-economic impact on Indian society, including improved quality of life. Reduced travel time will enhance the quality of life for commuters, providing them with more time for work and leisure activities. Enhanced mobility. Air taxi services will provide faster and more convenient transportation options, supporting India's rapidly growing urban population. Environmental benefits. Electric air taxis produce fewer emissions and are quieter than traditional helicopters, reducing noise pollution and carbon emissions in urban areas. Advantages for India's growth story. Enhanced connectivity. Air taxi services will provide faster, more convenient, and reliable transportation options, enhancing connectivity between major urban centers. This will support India's economic growth and development by facilitating the movement of people and goods. Technological advancement. The collaboration with Archer Aviation will introduce cutting-edge technology and innovation to India's aviation sector. This will stimulate research and development, create job opportunities, and position India as a leader in sustainable urban transportation. Employment generation. The air taxi service is expected to create job opportunities in various sectors, including manufacturing, operations, maintenance, and support services. This will support India's goal of becoming a global hub for aviation and technology and contribute to the country's economic growth and development. Conclusion. The introduction of all-electric air taxi services in India represents a significant milestone in the country's transportation sector. They represent a promising solution to urban congestion and environmental concerns. By leveraging advanced technology and innovative solutions, this project has the potential to transform urban mobility, boost economic growth, and enhance the overall quality of life for Indian citizens. However, ensuring safety, developing robust charging infrastructure, and addressing regulatory challenges are crucial for the successful implementation of electric air taxi services. The collaboration between Interglobe Enterprises and Archer Aviation marks a significant step towards achieving these objectives and positioning India as a leader in sustainable urban transportation. Stay tuned for further developments on these projects. Do let us know your thoughts on the subject in the comments section. My friend, if you have found any value in this video, then kindly click on like button as an encouragement to create better quality content. Please share this video amongst your family members, friends, and in your social media network so that this information might benefit others. Don't forget to subscribe to SciTech Buzz 1 channel so that you will not miss out on any of our forthcoming videos. Thank you.